Girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you.
I think I lost my way. I've been there in Lantay Hills. I'm going to Anda. Yeah. No problem, I'm Tagalog. I'm half Filipino, half Arab. Tagalog, no problem. Balik.
Tapos,
Dito.
malayo na ito.
Malayo pa. It's very far. I think I'm going straight ahead here. So what are you doing here? Snacks?
Chilling, yeah.
But you have wine. I think you have I know love problem. Not so?
Hello, just chilling, best friend.
Okay, good. Good conversation. You can express your feelings anymore. So, what's the better? I go straight ahead or I'm going back here?
Going back.
Going back?
Yeah.
Maybe how long? How many kilometers? Mga ilan? Okay.
Shortcut naman.
So, what is the best food here in Bohol? Example like manginasal. I like so much manginasal.
Macdo,
Macdo
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
That's our
Okay.
favorite.
By the way, I'm Abdullah Muhammad.
Christine.
How are you?
Melanie.
Good,
Doing
Melanie.
great.
Abdullah Muhammad, half Arab, half Filipino. My mother's a Filipina. Yeah, but my face look like Filipino. Right? So, doon sa mo dire? Mga gwapa lagi mo, day. Bilib ko ninyo, ba? Mga gwapa rin ito kakasboy. Bitaw, pag-isalmat kayo, ha? Palikog super sa akong channel. Apollo Kibuloy. Si panganin mo? Eh, shoutout imong ex, imong uya ba? Shoutout. Sige na. Christine. Sige na, ikaw, shoutout. Waka uyab? Waka i-shoutout? Wati ang magawa at agwapan ninyo ay. Uy, yung mahubog mo di ha? Ay palabi. Naiway no, ibitin siya kayo. Scanin dot sa inyo. Snack oy, kagutom man.
Hindi, ganda ko vlog.
So na mo gipaabot, wa. So mga iko-permiso pwede i-upload niya nako. Okay ra. Shout out Apollo Kibuloy. Apollo Kibuloy ha. Shout out sa mga gwapa diri sa. Di, saan yung lugar na diri?
Tugas.
Tugas na no.
Kasbog.
Ato kasbo. Pag tabo ka ng tulay, tugas na.
Hindi, kasbo na na. Gindolman na na.
O lagi kini din yung pagtabok ka patingin dere.
Oh, gindolman.
Kandihan na ni.
Oh, kandihay ni Dadto, gindolman na.
Sige. Mayo, ayaw mo diha. God bless, amping mo diha. Ay mo pagpangit-ngit. Apollo Kibuloy ha. Okay, babu.
But something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again. After a long while, I'd love again. It was destiny's game. For when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were wherever you are. I that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that beautiful girl. Search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true.
Goodbye.
You've made me love again after a long and I'm glad